Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a black 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 4x4 Crew Cab LT, stock number A7094. Starting up front, you have factory fog lights and heavy-duty tow hooks. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a Goodyear Wrangler tire. Inside, you have a black cloth upholstery, and that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 3 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 back in the second row, making this a 6-passenger Silverado. You've got this great Z71 off-road bedside decal here. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There are side steps on the back bumper. You do have backup sensors and a trailer hitch. There is a backup camera. You've got a soft tonneau cover here that is in great shape, and then inside of the truck bed, as you can see, it is very clean. And the reason that I'm showing you the Chevrolet today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments. To the left of the steering wheel, you have an integrated trailer brake control and a 4x4 turn dial control. Then inside on the left of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control buttons, and on the right side, you have audio controls. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 5.3-liter V8 engine, which in highway mileage is going to get you around 22 miles per gallon. Above the rear view mirror, you have HomeLink garage door opener buttons, and this is also equipped with OnStar. You've got a great touchscreen display here, which is where your backup camera shows. There is a navigation system. You have a CD player and an AM/FM radio. Coming down underneath of that, there are dual climate controls. You've got buttons here for heated front row seating. Underneath of that, there is a button for a power adjustable pedal. You have traction control and hill descent control. If you'd like to get more information on this Silverado or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.